Now we will see hierarchical inheritance in PHP. Already I explained what is inheritance and single inheritance in your previous video. Please you watch it. Link will be provided in the description. Now we will see what is a hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance means multiple derived classes with the same base class is called hierarchical inheritance, which means that derived means you remember it as a child. So here one parent is having multiple childs, then you can say that that is a hierarchical inheritance. This B can get the properties of A, this C can get the properties of A, D can get the properties of A. B, C, D are the child class and A is only one parent. One parent with many number of child can be called as a hierarchical inheritance. So here we will see one simple program here. For example, within the PHP code, within the HTML, PHP, next one class name. So here class name I have taken as a arithmetic, any name you can consider. Next open the flower brace, two variables I am using, $a is equal to 10, $b is equal to 20. So here you did not mention any access specifier, so by default it will consider as a public. If you want to mention, you can write like that, public $a is equal to 10, public $b is equal to 20, and so on. So here class is closed. So here this is nothing but a, I am taking here super class, parent class as a arithmetic, just name I am taking. Here I am using $a is equal to 10, $b is equal to 20, and in subclasses, child classes for this arithmetic I am taking as a addition, subtraction, multiplication. So in the addition it is getting the properties of arithmetic, in the subtraction getting the properties of arithmetic, in the multiplication also getting the properties of arithmetic. So here one parent with multiple childs is nothing but a hierarchical. So here to use the hierarchical you need to use the syntax like class add extends arithmetic, okay, class subtraction extends arithmetic, class mul extends arithmetic, and so on. So here class add extends arithmetic. Next open the brace, here I am using some function name as a sum. So here function sum, echo addition of A and B is, within the double quotes I am printing some message like addition of A and B is, comma $a plus $b. So I am adding the two numbers, two variables I am adding. Otherwise you can write like this also, $c is equal to $a plus $b. Here you can write $c. Anyway you can write, no problem. Next one, function is closed, next class is closed. Here in the same way subtraction function is in the same way, in the subtraction class I am using some minus function. Don't take function name and class name as the same. Here sub I am taking, so here I am taking minus. Here add I am taking, so here I am taking sum. Like that you take. Next one, class name, another class we are taking as a multiplication. This multiplication extends arithmetic. So here one more child I have taken, multiplication extends, multiplication parent is arithmetic. Next one, function multiply. In this function multiply, I am multiplying these two numbers. This function is closed, this class is closed. So here now how many childs are there for this arithmetic? 3 childs are there. So here for each child you need to create an object. So we create an object for the child only. So we are having the 3 childs. For these 3 childs you need to create the object. So first, for the first child $ob is equal to new add. So for the first this class I am creating an object. Okay, for this class $ob is equal to new add parenthesis, like this. Next, how to call this function? By using this object $ob arrow sum function, like this. So whenever you created an object, so this will be initialized. Next, $ob points to sum, which is nothing but a, the control will transfer to this function sum. whatever the statements are there, that will be print. On the output screen, you will get as a addition of A and B is, okay, what is the addition of A and B? 30 it will print. Next, $OB1 is equal to new sub, which is nothing but a, you have created an object for this class. Next one, $OB1 is equal to new subtraction, this one. Okay, so it will, control will transfer to the, sorry, this one, $OB1 point arrow minus, which is nothing but a, control will transfer to here, and whatever the statements are there in this function, it will print. So here subtraction of A and B is 10, it will print. Next one, $OB2 is equal to new multiplication, which is nothing but for the multiplication class you have created an object 2. By using this object 2, you are calling the function of multiply, $OB2 arrow multiply, so that control will transfer to the multiply function. Whatever the statements is there in the multiply function, it will print. Multiplication of A and B is 200, it will print. This is the output you will get. This is about the hierarchical inheritance. Please subscribe to my channel.